What's up, y'all? Hey, this is Chris. We're gonna today work on the RV. Like I told y'all, that's probably the next thing I'm gonna do. So I actually just went ahead and started getting on it right now. So just to show you, we're gonna work on the RV today. The 26-foot Shasta oasis. I told you on the last video that these things they're getting bad. They're wearing out. I was just messing with this right here and it's just falling apart. So I broke the bolts already. Starting to take those off. Thank you, buddy. How you doing? So anyways, I broke the bolts just now. These two stabilizers, if you look at it on both sides, watch out, Charlie. So yeah, the back two stabilizers I'm changing out. We're gonna take the bolts off. They have 4 bolts, and for some reason, you know, one on this side, one on that side, and then the other stabilizer has 2 bolts also. For some reason they had self-tapping screws on each side too. I don't know if that was already there, but I'm taking them out. But I'm gonna work on those. I got these on Amazon, y'all. They're heavy duty, actually. Heavy duty 7,500 pound new stabilizers by WEIZE. I'll go ahead and put a little description down there, the ones I got. But if you look right here, these bad boys, sorry, I gotta get the plastic off. These bad boys are heavy duty and have a WEIZE stabilizer jacks instructions and the 7,500 pounds. And like I said, I got these instead. Usually when I buy things, I like to buy things that have better capacities, higher ratings, because I want them to last and I want them to actually work. I think we've all been there. We buy crap and it barely works. But we're gonna put this here. Here's the side by side real quick. Well, I mean, I guess I can open it up here in just a minute, but they definitely do look a little bit sturdier, a little bit stronger. But we'll get it switched out and show y'all here in just a minute. Hey, so I just wanted to point this out. Just made it easy. All I did right now is take the nuts off, right? Left the bolts in there, bolt here, bolt on the other side, and just dropped it down. So easy. Leave it there. Doing one at a time. As you can see, the other one's still on. Taking this one off. Left the bolts on, took the nuts off, dropped it. Gonna put this on next. Should be easy. Put it under, pick it up, put the nuts on, right? Hey man, so everybody, we got stabilizers on. Whole lot easier than I thought, y'all. Why 7,500 pounds, like I told y'all. Man, you can see why I wanted to change it. This is rust scale from the last stabilizers. I was literally touching them, grabbing them, getting them off, and rusted out metal was just coming off. So glad I got these. These are the old ones. Pretty bad shape. Those are much more heavy duty. You know, that right there is a whole lot bigger. Some of the metal's a lot thicker. I know the part that sits on the bottom of the frame, that's much wider, and this is why we decided to change them out. If you look at these, they're pretty nasty. So that's it. Got it, man. Next video, hopefully we'll start working on the razor a little bit. But I do have some whip lights. I have them on there, but I don't have them wired. So we'll talk about installation on the next one once I get it all figured out. But razor's starting to look good. We got the RV. And for all you suckers that keep making fun of me on the deck, we got the deck built out. So moving along.